Today we're going to learn how to enter fractions into our calculators. Okay, so you should have received a red calculator, mine is blue, in your box when you went at the beginning of the school year. So on this calculator, there's a lot of functions it has, but one thing is we're going to learn how to put the fractions into the calculator. So I am going to kind of close in a little bit more onto my calculator here so you can see the buttons that I'm pushing. All right, so here is my keypad. Okay, the yellow or the white buttons are the keypads. And what you want to find is this button here. It has an A, big A, capital A, and a B and a C that look like a fraction. So that's the button we're going to be using to be making our fraction. So let's say I wanted to put in the fraction 1/2 into my calculator. I'm going to push the numerator first. I'm going to push 1. Okay, then I'm going to hit this ABC, this fraction button. Okay, and you see you get this little line, that little line there that's showing that that's going to kind of act as that fraction bar, and then you're going to hit 2. All right, so that's going to be the fraction 1/2. That's what it would look like. So I could even say equals, and I have that 1 and that slash, that's the line, and the 2. Okay, so I could do that also. Let's say I wanted to put in the fraction 3/15. Okay, I'm going to put 3 first. I'm going to hit this ABC fraction button, and then I'm going to put in 15. Okay, and that, if I hit equal, will show me already into simplest form. It already put it into simplest form for me. So 3/15 is equal to 1/5. So that has already reduced it. So if you are having trouble reducing your fractions after you find the answer, you can put in the calculator and hit the button to reduce it. We can also put mixed numbers into the calculator. So let's say I wanted to put in 3 1/4. Okay, 3 1/4. So I'm going to hit that 3 button. Then I'm going to hit that ABC button. Then I'm going to hit the 1. Then I'm going to hit the ABC. And then I'm going to hit the 4. I'm going to show you. Okay. Oops, I don't have my 4 on there, but okay, so clear this. I'm going to hit 3. That's my whole number. I'm going to hit that fraction button, ABC. I'm going to hit my 1. Then, because I'm going to be putting a denominator in, I'm going to hit that ABC button again. And then I'm going to hit my 4. 3 1/4. And when I hit equals, how it shows up, it has this 3 units and 1/4 on my calculator. The U right there is just kind of holding a space. It's saying there's a space. That's not a number. It's not a decimal point. It's just saying 3 1/4 to keep that 3 separated, from the fraction that's there. So this U, when you write it in your book or write it in your answer, you're not writing that. That's just letting you know that this 3 is not part of 31. It's 3 1/4. Let's try another one. Okay, let's do 2 5/9. We're going to put 2 5/9 into the calculator. I'm going to hit clear, hit the 2. I'm going to hit this ABC button. You'll see that little L. 5. Hit the ABC button again, and 9. 2 5/9. If I hit equal, it's going to give me that 2 and then that little space. Okay, it's just giving you like a little space in the calculator, and 5/9. This, again, you don't write that down in any of your work. It's just letting you know that the 2 and the 5 are separate from each other. It's not a 25. It's a 2 5/9. Okay, let's try to do a problem. Let's add or multiply, actually, some fractions here. So let's say I had 1 2/5 times 2/3. Okay, so I'm going to put that into my calculator. Okay, I'm going to put 1, then that ABC button, 2, that ABC fraction button, fifths. Then I'm going to just hit times, 2, fraction button, thirds, equals. And then I get my answer, 14/15. 14/15, and it's already reduced for me. It's already simplified. It's already in its lowest terms.